Wake up with the morning sun, buzzing bees have just begun. Flower fields in colors bright, nature dances in the golden light. Tiny wings with a mighty mission, working hard with perfect precision. From bloom to bloom they gently fly, painting life beneath the sky. Every